Hello, my name is Sajid Ahmed.
In the previous video, we discussed about the HTML and CSS code, and we already created a portfolio web page using HTML and CSS code. Now let us discuss the JavaScript. It is a JavaScript gives the life to HTML and CSS code. Now let us discuss some of the topics in JavaScript: arrays, functions, loops, objects, and variables. Now first of all, discuss about the variables. Variables in JavaScript are used to store the data values. Variables are used to store the values that you are used in the code. You can declare variables using three keywords. Those are var, let, and constant. Const. Now, first of all, let us see let keyword. Use it to declare a variable that can also be changed, but it only exists inside the block. That is, use if we create a variable using the let keyword, it can be changed afterwards. Example, let y equal to 15. Later we can also change y equal to 25. Now let us see the where keyword. It is used to declare variable that can be changed. It is accessible inside a function or globally if declared outside any function. This where keyword is also used to create variables that can also be changed later, but where is used in the previous days, that is olden days. Now let keyword is being used now. If we use the old browsers, we should use the where keyword. Let us see the const keyword. It is used to declare variable that cannot be changed once assigned. However, if it is an object or array, the contents can still be modified. It constant keyword. If once the keyword is if the once a variable is declared with the const keyword, it cannot be changed afterwards. That is, if const z equal to 30 is given, if we want to change this 30 to 45 or 50, we cannot it doesn't apply. Now let us see this in the code. Now let us run this program. See, it is const x equal to 10 we have given using the const keyword. If we now let us change the x equal to 25. Let us run this. See, it is not applicable. It is not running. So we cannot change the value. Now let us use let keyword and run. See, it is also changed to x equal to 25 using the let keyword. Using where also it will be changed. See, this is difference between these keywords let, where, and const. Now let us discuss another topic, that is arrays. First of all, arrays are used to store the multiple values in a single variable like numbers, strings, or objects. That is, we can using a single variable we can store numbers, strings, objects together. We use create. Now let us see creating an array. You can create an array by using square brackets. Example, let fruits equal to. See here in this fruits we created apple, banana, and cherry. These all combinedly given in a single variable fruits using the let keyword. We can also write numbers in these also. 30. Yeah. This will also be using. We can also write numbers and variables also, strings and objects also we can store in this. It will be applicable. Now let us see once program. If we run this now, See, apple to cherry. We have given fruits to cherry. This is running. Now let us see how to access this. Accessing array elements. You can access elements in array using their index, where the first element has an index of 0. That is, the index of the elements in this array, the index of these objects will be from starting from 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now we can also modifying an array. You can change the values of elements or add new ones. Here we can access. Now let us see. Here we are going to access the fruits log fruits 1, that is apple to cherry, that is 0, 1, 2. 2 will be printed. Let us see this now. See, now we can also change this. We can also change the values in this. Now let us see. That is fruits of 1, that is 2 will be changed to pineapple. Now let us see this. See, pineapple. In this way we can access the arrays and modify the elements in the arrays also. Now let us see another topic, that is functions. Functions are block of code that performs a task or calculate a value. You can reuse. That is, functions a block of code that perform a task or calculate a value. You can reuse functions whenever you need, and then which makes your code easier and to manage. That is, we can use this block of code any number of times in the given program. That is the reuse of functions. Now let us see how to create a function. You define a function using the function keyword. We use the keyword function followed by the function name and parentheses. Now let us see example. This is a function keyword. For name is a greet is the function name, and followed by parentheses. In this we wrote the console.log hello world. It will be printed. Now how to call the function in the program. Let us see. Calling using a function. You run the function by calling its name followed by parentheses. That is, we call the function by writing the function name followed by parentheses. Now let us see functions with parameters. You can pass values called parameters into functions to make them more flexible. That is, we can pass the values to parameters so that can be implemented. Function greet user name. In this hello name I. Functions dot return a value. Functions can also return a value using the return keyword. Example, functions add a comma b. A comma b are parameters and returns the function a plus b after. Now here we are calling let sum equal to add. This is the calling function add 5 comma 3, and we are giving this will be stored given to this, and add a comma a equal to 5, b equal to 3. This will be added and return a plus b. Sum of a plus b, 5 plus 3 will be returned to sum, and we will print this sum. Now let us see program on this. Here we came. Let us change the values. Now 7 comma 6. Let us run this. That is return multiply. Function multiply we have given. It returns the a multiplied by b 7 6. Console here multiplication. Now we should change some. Actually it is product. as 42. If we do sum also, it will be same. Any operation we can perform here, it will returns it. Sum 7 plus 6, now it returns 13. Let us see. This is how the functions are used. Now let us see another topic, that is objects. Objects are used to store collection of data in key value pairs. That is, we will give a key and the value to the key. Think of an object as collection of properties where each property has a key or name and value. That is, each property let us see creating an object. You can create an object using curly braces. Example, let person equal to, this person has properties like name is a keyword and Alice is a value to the name, and age is a keyword key, that is property of the person keyword, and value is 25. City is the keyword and he lives in the New York, that is a value city. Job, his role is job manager. Now let us run. This is the code. See Alice, that is person dot name is